You keep hearing invest, 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 but in what exactly? If you're asking this question, you're not alone. My name is Mary Jo Okonkwo. I'm a financial trader and educator, and I'm here to help you break it down. But before we dive into what to invest or where to invest, let's talk about why you should invest. Let me ask you this question. Do you want to spend the rest of your life working for money, or would you love for money to work for you? If your answer is yes, keep on watching this video. So why you should invest? Simply put, money loses value over time due to inflation. So if you're keeping all your money in your savings account, you're actually losing purchasing power. Investing helps your money grow, build wealth, and create financial security. Whether it's for retirement, whether it's for financial freedom, this is what investing does for you by making your money work for you rather than you working for money for the rest of your life. Now, what can you invest in? You can invest in stocks, you can invest in real estate, you can invest in ETFs, you can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in cryptocurrencies, you can invest in small businesses, you can invest even in yourself through education and skills. So that's why I'm going to now ask you, what are your risk appetites? What are your financial goals? How much are you willing to invest? All these things are very crucial. So now you know what to invest in, you want to also know where to invest. And this depends on your strategy. If you're looking at stocks or ETF, you want to go through a brokerage platform. I use Bamboo. I'm in Nigeria, so if you're in Nigeria and you want to use Bamboo, this is the platform that I use for my stocks and ETFs. And for real estate, you want to go through rental properties or REITs. Then if you want to invest in mutual funds, I use Stanbic IBTC Bank. That's the platform that I use for my mutual funds. There are numerous platforms. Do your research, be comfortable with them, and go on to do your investment. Knowing when to invest is as important as knowing what to invest, so choose wisely. Finally, how do you start investing? It begins with education and research. You don't just want to rush into it blindly. You want to start small, you want to diversify your investments, and you also want to think long term. You also want to understand risk management, you want to set realistic financial goals, and you want to be consistent. So now that we've covered why you should invest, what you should invest, how you should invest, and where you should invest, the best time to start investing was yesterday, but the next best time is today. So are you ready to start making your money work for you? If yes, get going. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I am just sharing my experiences by educating you guys while carrying all of you along, because we have to make this money. We have to be financially free. We cannot spend the rest of our life working for money. You get me? So until next time, bye.